difficult thing.
And I think being passionate about it.
Yeah, he does say there's no room in the Labour Party for anti-Semites, and that might be because it's full.
They've got enough already. But Jeremy Corbyn is as North London as fair trade cocaine. Like, when did since when is he anti-Semitic?
Who knows if Jeremy himself is anti-Semitic? I don't think he probably is. What I think is he just comes from a place.
He's been connected and in the same place, like lots of politicians, with people who definitely are anti-Semitic. And I think because of Israel-Palestine, which is something that Jeremy Corbyn really, really heartily believes in, he has been in a room with lots of people who are very anti-Israel, and some of those people are racist against Jewish people.
When they do polling to find out whether or not people are anti-Semitic, they literally put these statements in saying, do you believe that Jews run the world? And it's statements like that that are indicative of anti-Semitism.
Yes,
Flavor Flav back in the face with the hot track, boy. Bring that beat back. Bring that beat back.
See, I played in Cincinnati with my whole head nappy. Laying around me in the street with nothing but a beat. Got his words against a judge, kick him out that seat. You are what you eat, yes. Same message to your mind, be self-defeating, sick and tired of being sick and tired of being beaten. So drop it like it was way too hot, too fast. But hip-hop, doo-wop, or rock, or pop. I ain't here to hurt you. I ain't in them circles. The government ain't got me yet, so y'all don't stop me. See a stampede of fake, that's roll from Bill Cosby. What has he got to do with you doing? You all know what? DJ Lord, give me that cut. Bring that beat back. Yeah, that's what's up. Bring that beat back. Come on, that's what's up. Bring that beat back. Bring that beat back.
The beat
I'm truly free, blessed, gotta think outside the box. A hard I find them up at Fort Knox. The down Iraq, what you don't know, I rock. What you under a rock, what you under a rock. Old cats be begging us to bring that beat back. Each generation be thinking that the next one is whack. Started in the days of crack, R&B, Reagan. He puts 1980s. I pray to God, I feel like I got a church in myself. Good God, I can't get no help. I say again, help get cut back. It is right. Yeah, bring that beat back. Come on.
The beat go.
Yeah. Crystal clear.
The beat go.
The crystal clear. Say the youth don't matter and the old don't mind. It takes a lot of spine to already align. Some of us get ghetto at the wrong damn time. Now what? We just make it one at a time. Save another brother whose life on the line. A big shot to claim some rocks and some shine. Signs of a soul. Go solo, rob blind. A very small part of half the world's trying. Run away. Child blown by old landmine. Little one still working with a diamond mind. So Pat can say what's hers and what's mine. Diamonds is a girl's best friend. So why ain't crying? Your ass, why the hell is he crying? Yeah. Bring that.
The beat go.
Listen to this. 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 For all you MCs in a crew. I said for all you MCs in a crew. I said for all you MCs in a crew. This is what we want y'all to do.
When y'all hear it getting near and you recognize the lyrics, you frame it and frame it, you start to fear it, escapism. Yeah, like today there ain't no racism. Obviously y'all ain't seen black folks on TV. Judgment calls made for half of you and me, or you and I do or die. I see an eye for an eye. The bottom line got the poor people paying for crime. Corporations getting paid more cocktail time. Now y'all can tell Russell, yes, I knocked the hustle for schooling in lockdown. Under federal muscle, beyond the streets, these kids is always watching. Watching some of these jerks when they go berserk, so I work. DJ Lord, give me that cut. Bring that beat back, yeah, when that's what's up. DJ Lord, bring that beat back. Yo,